How to fix scanner not working on Windows. 1. Check and re-perform connection. 2. Remove and re-enter scanner. Like this. 3. Start services, Windows Image Acquisition, WIA, Service, Remote Procedure Call, DCOM Server Process Launcher, RPC Endpoint Mapper, and Shell Hardware Detection Services. Restart your PC. 4. Run msdt.exe ID device diagnostic command. 5. Run sfc and dism scans as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-health-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 6. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or reinstall scanner drivers.